Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Praveen and you are watching Techie Praveen. So in this video, we are going to talk about how to create the animation like you have seen in the beginning of this video. So let's get started. So before starting this video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my channel because your subscription, your like and comments motivates me to create such videos. So please like, subscribe and share it with your friends. So let's get started. So basically, I have removed all my main .dart code. So I'm just going to write all my code from the beginning. So we are going to create a design first. So, so this is my basic code. So we'll create the stateful widget first in the name of home page. If you want, you can create in all different page. There will be no difference. So here I'm going to create a scaffold and then app bar. We are going to remove my app bar elevation to 0 because I don't want my app bar to be shown, and I'm going to give color of my back app bar should be white. So it should be white, and I also want my background color of my app should be white. You can use any color as per your requirement or as per your choice. Perfect. Now inside the body part, I'm just taking one column, and inside the column I'm just taking children, and inside the children I'm taking welcome and another text that is my sign in to continue. Let's run this app. So this is my output of my code. So let's write more code. I have to create some text field. So I'm just giving them a size box whose height is approx 130 to give the distance between my text welcome sign in continue to my login username and password widget. So I'm just creating one container. Inside a container, I want my child to be text field, and I have to give some decoration also. So decoration is my input decoration, and my border. I want a border outside my text field, so I need a outline input border, and my border radius will be my border radius. Border radius dot all, and I want my radius to be in circular. So radius dot circular and giving the value 10.2. Let's restart this. See, sorry. Let's restart this. So perfect now. Now I have to create another text field. So I'm just copying paste this container to make my another text field. And I have to give a label of this container. Uh, this is my label text. My label text will be my enter name, enter your name or enter name, and then again this one, enter your password, label text is your enter your password. enter your password here or enter password. Perfect. Now let's run this again. Perfect. I have got two different text fields, so I have to give the space between these. So I'm using the size box. Height equals to 20, and perfect. Now I have to give two buttons, that in login and my Facebook with login button. So I'm creating again containers. So firstly I have to give the space between these two containers. So I'm again using my size box, and again container whose height goes to 50. We'll define the width in animation part. Giving decoration, box decoration, and border radius is border radius of circular, and giving the value is 15, and giving color as blue. If you want, you can give any color. So this is my button. Here I'm giving text name as login, and again I'm just copying paste, giving size box, or you can also give padding as well. Uh, Height will be 20 something, and again paste it and login with Google. Now I need another sign up page. I'm a new user and I sign up. So again, I'm just giving size box to give some space. So I'm taking as 170, and again I need only text widget basically. I need row. Inside the row, I'm making two different text widgets. Why two different? Because I want my color to be shown different. So here color is I am new user, and then again text, that is sign up. Sign up. Perfect. Let's run this. Perfect. There will be no problem with this. So I'm just going to create height or width of this, which is going to control while animating the container. This should be 450, I think. Or you can make size as per device, or you can also use media query to get to get the width of this. I'm just using only hardcore. So let's make it 400 and run this. I think that's totally okay, and I have to make this align. Wrap this with align to make it center. Alignment equals to alignment dot center. Perfect. Again wrap this also. Okay. So now I have to make some adjustment by using the paddings and all. So let's do it. Okay, I have to make this in center. This is center. So I'm giving main axis alignment dot center. Refreshes this. This will make this in the center. Okay, so I have to give some styling, that is text style, and Font size will be 18, I think. Okay, and just copy paste this. Okay, and color will be red. Colors dot red and make this bold. Font weight dot bold. Now it's set to okay. And now let's do this with text with style with Google also. So let's wrap this white. Color will be white. Okay. Now perfect. There will be some problem. Okay. I think the extra. Okay. Okay. Fabulous. That will reduce the size to 18. Now that is good. No, okay, let's make this 16. So you can adjust the size as per your choice. Okay, now that's totally okay. So I have to, everything is fine now. I have to make this into the left of the screen. So let's align this. Uh, mm, let's let's try this. Okay, no, it's not working. So let's wrap this widget with align and alignment equals to dot dot left actually, and just copy paste everything. And let's run this. Perfect, there will be no problem. And now I have to make some change to the style of text. So text style to font size will be 40, and font weight would be bold. Font weight of bold, and just copy paste everything and just in this. Okay, and just make this 22. And now I have to give a style of this. Font style goes to font style dot italic, and let's run this. Perfect. Now there will be a spelling mistake. Welcome should be WALCOME. Okay. Okay. So I have to wrap this with a padding. With only I'm using top will be 20, and bottom will be 8, 8.0, and left should be 20, because I want this to be more aligned center. 20 is okay. So now I'm also padding this with the same thing, uh, only left so 20. Oh, sorry, I've used in the welcome part. I have to give alignment. Now let's run this. Okay, so this is my the designing part. You can play with font size, button colors, and you can make more complicated design. So my point of creating all this design to create such effect. So you can use these tune animation everywhere. So let's design the animation part. Here I'm going to define my variables and my animation part. So I have extend state. I have to extend with single ticket provider state maxim. So basically, what is the meaning of width? Basically, it's inherit. It's a part of a inheritance. So it's inherit the property of single ticket provider state maxim. So here I'm just going to define animation variable sum. So I need text animation, or I can say welcome animation. I'm just making it private by using this underscore. If you want, you can use it public. So okay, and I'm going to define init state because I have to change. I have to run this when my app start. If you want, you can also do it by clicking some buttons. So here I'm going to define my controller. Before this, I have to define animation controller actually. Animation controller to control my animation. And now I'm going to create my controller. Controller equals to animation controller, which is facing, and this, and we have to make a duration because we are, so we can also play give some duration of this. So you can make it by using milliseconds, hours, microseconds. So I'm using only seconds here. Perfect. Now I'm going to create my first welcome animation. Welcome animation equals to doing animation, which given the begin and end, how much time you want that animation to be happen, and dot animate. And here you can use any type of animation, curve, bounce in, or anything. So I'm using only curved animation. So you can use any type of animation here. Curve animation needs parent, so giving controller to, because I want my animation to be controlled by controller. And here I am going to give my curve. So curve needs intervals. So here I'm going giving 0.20 and giving curve. Perfect. And now curves dot. So we have bounce in out, to bounce out, and their number of animation over here. So I'm using ease out actually because this I want my animation to be expand. Ease out only, ease out. Perfect. Now I'm going to use this here at welcome. So inside this dot value, and let's run this. Okay, got some wrong. Okay, okay. So okay, sorry. So I have to use a welcome animation, not this. Spelling is mistake. Animation. Perfect. Now let's run this. Okay, let me refresh this. Okay, I think the value should be changed. Begin and with 100. So I have to make some changes in values. So it is let me change and let's run this. Okay, sorry, I think I have made a mistake. Okay, oh, now I got it. So basically, I have not called controller like forward, and here I have to use listener to make it listen. Control dot listener, dot add listener. Inside this, I have to change the state of this. I have to use set state. Perfect. Let's run this again. Perfect. It runs right. So basically, what mistake I have done is I haven't used controller dot forward, and I have to listen or state. I have to listen my controller, and I have to set the state for this. So this is my animation. Perfect. Now you can play with the values. So here I am going to create another animation in the name of my text animation, or you can use the same in my continue animation. Just put this in the place of font size. Perfect. Now let's make it that to text field also. I'm going to create animation text field or animation text field 1, animation text field 2, and just copy paste this because we want some different animation. We have to play with the values of these animation. This is my first text field, and this is my second text field 2. Perfect. So now I have to make some changes in the values. So my text field width will be 400. So I am ending this with my with 400, and the values will be 0.95. So you have to play with these values to make animation as per your requirement. So I'm using my text field in the container as a container width because I want to animate my container's width. Perfect. And now again another width also dot value, and let's run this. See, it's perfectly alright because I have given the same animation in both the text fields, so it's showing me the same. Now I have to make some changes in the values and all. So you can give animation text field 2 also 400, and I'm just calling this text 2 field in my text 2 field. Enter password. I'm just making this 2, and let's run this again. So you can play with the values to make a different animation. You can slow down it or you can make it speed faster as per your requirement. Perfect. Now made my login. So you can also use your okay, breadth equals to text field one dot value, or you can also animate the text inside this. So I'm going to create another animation, that is text animation. This text animation. Perfect. And now I have to make some changes in the values. This should be 20, and this should be my 0, and this should be my 95. And let's copy this and paste to the font part dot value, and again this font part, because I want my font part to also to be animate. And here the my sign up part, so dot value, and this should be dot value. Let's run this. Now log in with Google. Let's see. Okay, I haven't used anything here. So xfeed dot value. Enter your password is seeing something bad. So enter my password. I have used text to field. So let's make some changes in the text to field. Text to field is 20. So let's make it 0. Perfect now. So basically you can play with the values. You can also create one forget items. So enter password. After that enter password, I'm going to create uh, one text widget, that is forget password. Forget password. Give some style on this. Text style is to font size will be 16, and wrap this with a line. Put text animation value as a font size. Okay, I have created this in a wrong place. Let's run this. Perfect. Now it seems good. So you can play with the values of the animation, or you can also change ease out or ease in, or bounce out or bounce in, uh, to create some new animation as per your requirement. Or you can also create some animated design over there to make it more impressive and all. Perfect. So I think ease out was looking better here. So you can also make it a number of options, right? So for this is ease out is my favorite here. So if you want, you can also share me some different animation you have created in Flutter. So I hope you like the video and you like my teaching style, and I'm able to explain you how to create such type of animation. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. And if you are facing any issue, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to solve your problem as soon as possible. Thank you.